Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Here's another video in the Functions in Python series. If you haven't watched the previous parts, feel free to do so. They include Introduction to Functions, Functions with Parameters, the Return Statement, Mandatory Parameters, Optional Parameters, Mutable Optional Parameters, Keyword Arguments, Arbitrary Number of Positional Parameters, Arbitrary Number of Keyword Parameters, Arbitrary Number of both Positional and Keyword Parameters, and finally Nested Functions, which we discussed in the previous part of the series. Today we learn how to call a function inside another function. We can call a function inside another function. Now let's define two simple functions, trimString and repeatTrimString. The first function takes two parameters, text and length, and now if the length of text is greater than length, the text is trimmed to fit the length. The second function, repeatTrimString, takes three parameters, text, length, and repetitions. So here inside this second function, we're calling the trimString function, defined here. So we're calling this function inside this function, and we pass these two arguments to this function here. So the text is trimmed down to the length defined over here. And then this trimmed text is repeated repetitions times. Now here we're calling the repeatTrimString function with three parameters. Interesting, this is the text, 5 and 7 for the length and repetitions respectively. And now what happens if we run this function now? So start. And this is what we get. So as you can see, the text interesting was trimmed down to 5 characters and then repeated 7 times. So the function responsible for the trimming was this trimString function, and the function responsible for the repetitions is here, repeatTrimString. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.